Hello, following on from yesterday, the problem I had with Simple Screen Recorder where you click in the box and you get a blue screen. Haven't totally sorted it, but if you go to Settings, Window Manager Tweaks and click on the compositor, it seems to have something to do with the pop-up window, because if you change the opacity when you click, you can now see through it, although you can't actually click on it and do anything. At least you can see through the window to see what you're doing, and you can use keyboard shortcuts to change the settings if you wish. Unfortunately, you can't leave the opacity set like that because it also affects the drop-down menus and makes them totally transparent. So we put it back up and the drop-down menu is fine. So that's a minor workaround. I don't think it would cause a major problem because it's not something you're going to do that often. So apart from that, I've installed some software, internet browser, I've installed Chromium, works fine. Also installed under multimedia Audacity, again, that works fine. System does seem to have quite low background noise. I know that looks quite high, but that's relatively normal. You can hardly hear it. I don't know if we can do a record. 1, 2, 3. This is an Audacity sound check. Do a record. 1, 2, 3. This is an Audacity sound check. So that seems to work quite well. But thought it might be interesting to see how long a short video would take to render using video editing software. I normally use Kdenlive. If you go under multimedia, I have installed Kdenlive. Click on it and that's all I get. Doesn't work. So if we open it in a terminal, segmentation fault, core dumped. So Kdenlive does not work with Xubuntu, so I think at the moment that will conclude as far as I'm going to go with it. I'm going to try Xubuntu next. As far as Xubuntu is concerned, if you like a non-cluttered, tidy desktop, could be ideal as long as you don't want to really change anything and you're just happy with what it comes with. But there does seem to be a few bugs that need sorting. I appreciate it is a new version just out and hopefully it will get better. Also on this laptop, which only has a AMD dual core 1900 MHz processor, it does work quite well. It's quite snappy and it's very usable, and I'm sure there'll be a few other distros that come out which are based on Xubuntu. But for now, that's it for me. It's time for it to go and I'm going to test something else. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been of help and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.